What's up, everybody? It's your girl Pound Cake. I'm coming to y'all because I told y'all I was going to be coming with different little cooking videos while I'm on this weight loss journey. Actually, this weight loss challenge. So today I am cooking baked whiting fish. This is my first time baking whiting. I normally would fry it, but I figured, you know what? I want to try to stay away from fried foods right now. Even though you can have fried or the grease on this challenge, I just choose not to fry my fish because you don't have no batter. You can't use batter. You can't use flour. So what else is to do besides bake it? So y'all come along with me. Okay, y'all, I got this box of filet whitings from Walmart. It cost about $20. I've already took out pieces, defrost them, and I cleaned them real good. And so I'm about to season them. So as I'm seasoning them, I just make sure I coat the top of it with the seasoning, not the bottom, only because all the excess seasoning that is around it could be used instead of wasting extra seasoning. So you will see as I'm seasoning it with my parsley, be rubbing the bottom of the fish on the tray just to pick up that extra seasoning. And so what I do is I just place foil in my glass pan. I spray it with Pam, which is olive oil, and I place my fish. And so at this point I go ahead and I cut up my lemons, and I cut them up in small slices so I can place the small slices on top of the fish. I place my lemons in just different spots. It doesn't matter how you place it. And then I put extra parsley on top. And as y'all can tell, it's ready to go in the oven. So now I just fold the sides and I put foil on top. And I go ahead and set my stove to 375. As I place it in the oven, I let it cook for about 45 minutes with foil on top. It's done. I take it off and I let it cook for another 15 minutes. Doesn't that look delicious? So this is me and my husband's dinner for tonight. We just had the fish and the water. I always drink water with everything I eat. So I am trying it out, but as you can see, I add mustard to it. And so as I am trying out the fish, it tastes really good, y'all. It was really, really good. I added mustard because just to have that taste. But other than that, it turned out pretty good. And so, y'all, I drink a lot of water. I've drunk like almost 4 bottles. Probably, I think that's my 4th bottle for today. And I still had a couple of more bottles after that. But, y'all, just me sitting here talking to my husband. I'm watching School of Rock, and he's just telling me how he's enjoying the food. And he's telling me about his work day and how his day went. I'm gonna also be showing y'all a picture of my fish with my mustard on it. Y'all don't mind me. I'm just singing and dancing along to a scene of the School of Rock that I really like. But anyways, y'all have a lovely evening, and I will see y'all in the next video. I just also want to show y'all that I fried fish for my girls tonight using the seafood batter. And so this is how it turned out, which it looks delicious, and they had it with a side of broccoli.